Hello everyone. So in the last video we have seen what is full outer join. So what is full outer join? You have a table 1 and you have a table 2. So when you use full outer join, you can call this also full join. Okay. So it will pull the records from both the tables. That is what full join does. So similarly, you have cross join. So generally SQL will have full join or full outer join, but whereas MySQL we use cross join. So cross join also does the same thing. So which we are going to see now. So let me write a query. First, I'll make use of the training database. Use training. This is my database. Run this, and you are using training database, and then select star from customers. So you know this table already. Yes, see, run this query and see these are all the records from customers table. So similarly, what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you orders table as well. Orders table. So now if you run this query, see what is going to happen. So we have these many records from orders table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 records. So here you have in the customers table also 5 records are there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a cross join, that is like your full join. So when you wanted to do a full join or cross join, what you have to do is you have to use this syntax. Select the columns whatever you wanted to display from table 1, cross join table 2. So now I wanted to display all the columns. Let's say put star. Table 1 is your customers and table 2 is your orders. See what is going to happen. Now if you run this query, it will display all the records from the table. See here, customer ID, customer name. See, these are all till country. These are the records from your first table. If you look at 21 Sanjay, 10 Ajay, 12 Tarun, 5 Arun, 2 Pavan. So these are the records from your first table, and you have one more time the same. That means you're trying to match the records in left table and also right table. So what it will do, it will pull all the records and then display both of them. So now what is going to happen, if you look at this one orders table 10312, so this will, when I say cross join, so you know Cartesian product, right? So 10312 will get mapped with the first record of your table. That means when you go here 21 Sanjay, see here 10312 has come. Similarly 21 Sanjay will have with another record, that is 10325. See 10325. Similarly 10312. That means this first record will have a match, and then it will take all these values and display it here. So now if you see Sanjay record will have a match with 1031. Sanjay record will have match with 1032. And if you see Sanjay will have a match with 103. Sanjay record will have a match with 10304. And Sanjay record also will have a match with 10305. That means it will be mapped with all the records from the next table. So this is how your full join will pull all the information from both the tables. That is how your full join or cross join will be displayed. This is very, very important, guys. So when somebody asks you what are all the different types of joins, you know, it could be SQL or it could be MySQL or it could be Arcil, whatever it is, the concept is same. So inner join will be there, left join will be there, right join will be there, and full join will be there. And also you will have, if there is a table and you are trying to join the table on the same table, then we call it as self join. Let me show you how do you declare your self join. So what do you mean by self join? You're trying to join the table on the same table. So what we are going to do? So let us say I'll be taking one table. Let's say first let me explain you the syntax, how it is going to be. So the syntax will be select, you are going to display the columns what you wanted to do from table 1. I am giving the table 1 as T1 as my alias name, and the table 2 will be your T2. Okay, so since I have only table 1, that's the reason my table 2 is also table 1. Don't get confused here. Here, first table is table 1, second table is also table 1. That's the reason table 1, first time I am naming it as T1, table 1 I am naming it as T2, where you are going to apply some condition. So what I am going to do is, I am going to take the example of our customers table, and then I will implement that. So now what I am going to do is, I wanted to display the first record, A dot customer name. So my customer table has this record, right? Let me show you what are all the fields I have, what are all the values I have in my customers table. So go here, so customer name is there, and then customer city is there. Okay, so I'm going to take both of those values and then display there. Okay, I wanted to take the customer name from this table. So now A dot customer name as customer 1, comma B dot customer name as B2, and then I'm going to take the city name where I wanted to apply some condition, A dot city. Now what I'm going to do is, from my table customer customers, see I have used A here, and then you can give the alias name as A also. If at all you wanted to make use of T1, you just need to give it as T1 dot customer name. That means you are telling that my T1 table will have a field called this one. Similarly, here it is T2. So here you will be writing customers. And I wanted to apply the condition on my customer where my T1 dot customer name not equal to T2 dot customer name. That means I don't want to have both the customer names as same, and I wanted to display it order by city. So T1 means A dot means here I have to write T1. So T1 dot city. T1 dot city. So now if you execute this query, see what is going to happen. See, it will join on the same table, and then it will display first customer as B2, customer 1, T2 customer name as first 2. I'll write, and then run the program and see one more time what is going to happen. It's very simple, guys. So when you're trying to apply the join on the same table, then you are going to have the customer name 1 and customer name 2, and then it will have a map between these tables, and then it will display with the cities. And now if I give, instead of not equal to, if I apply one more condition saying that I wanted to see the city name is same. So I wanted to see the city names of both are same. So in that case, what is going to happen? See, in this case, Ajay Pavan from the first table, second table Hyderabad, Pavan Ajay Hyderabad. So if I wanted to do like this, I can make use of it. For example, if you wanted to make all the customers who are equal name, that means you wanted to display everything. So in that case, what is going to happen? Just see. So it's all based upon your requirement, guys. So you just understand what is needed for your query, and based on that, you can apply the respective joins whichever is applicable. So just to give you a recap, so inner join, what it will do, it will have the mapping between both the tables. It will display the records which are common between both the tables. That is inner join does. Left join, it will pull all the records from left table, the records which are common from right table. And right join, it will pull all the records from right table and then which are the records common from the left. And full outer join or cross join, it will pull all the records from both the tables along with the common records. Self join, it is on the same table you are going to join the records. So this is very very important, and most of the interviewers will ask you, do you know joins? Will you be able to write queries? And then they might ask you any of these joins, and based upon that you should be in a position to explain them what is the purpose of this join and where do you use which join also you can tell them. Okay.